Good morning, everybody, and welcome to this historic day for Hidalgo County. I am Lourdes Lulu Acevedo, and I am the Assistant Director for the Health and Human Services Department, and I am deeply honored to be your host for today's ribbon-cutting ceremony. Our Director, Direne Sarmiento Rangel, sends her regards. Unfortunately, she is unable to be with us today. We're gathered here in a McAllen Clinic to celebrate a groundbreaking milestone in healthcare for Hidalgo County. Today, we unveil the Rio Grande Valley's first virtual care station, offering no-cost, basic primary healthcare services to our community. I would like to extend a warm welcome to our distinguished guests, County Judge Richard Cortez, County Commissioner Eddie Cantu, our partners from OnMed, Molina Healthcare, United, community and elected members, and members of the media. Thank you for being here. Your presence here today reflects our shared dedication to improving the health and well-being of those we serve. The OnMed Virtual Care Station is a healthcare booth that connects patients with medical professionals through secure video consultations. This innovative technology offers basic medical services, including prescriptions, diagnosis, and specialist referrals, all within a private, soundproof environment. Before I turn it over to the next speaker, I want to highlight how exciting it is for us to offer additional services to our community. For over 90 years, the health department has offered a variety of preventative care services like immunizations, prenatal care, and child well visits. I am proud to say that as of today, Hidalgo County now offers basic medical services beyond prevention to our community. As I close, I want to take a moment to thank the dedicated staff of the Health and Human Services Department for making this event possible, alongside with our colleagues from Precinct 2, Facilities Management, IT, Jackie, and her team at Public Affairs. Thank you all very much. And now, without further delay, I am pleased to introduce to you all our County Judge, Richard Cortez, to share his remarks on this important milestone.
Well, she needs to work on her enthusiasm. Well, good morning, everyone. And really, thank you for joining us for this really exciting milestone here in Hidalgo County. You know, we are proud to celebrate the launching of this very first OnMed Care Station here in the Rio Grande Valley. We hope it's just the beginning of more to come. Everyone deserves to access to quality health care, regardless whether they have insurance or not. Too many of our families in our community delay care simply because they cannot afford a doctor's visit. This care station changes all of that. And for the first time, our residents can receive primary care at no cost in a private and secure space. Just like if they were in a primary care doctor in person, residents can speak with their licensed medical professionals and get care plans, prescriptions, and other referrals. This is care that meets people where they are, removing barriers of cost, distance, and access. This innovation is possible thanks to the collaboration between the Hidalgo County Department, OnMed, United Healthcare, and Molina Healthcare. Again, thank you all for that. It reflects what we can achieve when local government, healthcare providers, and private partners work together for the good of our community. This care station is not just about technology, it's about equity, dignity, and giving every resident the opportunity to live a healthier life. By bringing healthcare directly into our county services, we are showing that Hidalgo County is committed to innovation and to the well-being of our people. We hope that this is the first of many care stations to open here in the valley. Thank you to everyone who made this possible, And most importantly, thank you to the community we serve. This care station belongs to you. Now, I would like to introduce Precinct 2 Commissioner Eddie Cantu, who has a few words for you. Commissioner,
Good morning. The hotter the day, the shorter the speech. Cut down that. Wise man. As we all know, primary care is the foundation of good health. Through regular checkups, screenings, and preventive care, primary care can catch small problems before they become big ones. It helps manage chronic conditions, keeps families healthier, and ultimately gives us the peace of mind that we are not facing our health journeys alone. Most importantly, primary care is about connection, having someone you can turn to answer questions, support, and reassurance. When we invest in primary care, we invest in longer, healthier lives and stronger communities. I want to thank everybody that made this possible. I can't wait to see these services in the poorest areas of our community that lack the transportation and means to access healthcare. It is important that we bring efficient, low-cost, easily accessible healthcare to our whole community. May God bless every one of you, and may God bless your family. Thank you.
Now we will welcome OnMed, please.
Good morning. I'm Mindy Walker. I'm with OnMed, and I'm really grateful to be here today. I want to thank you so much for being here as well, and thank you to the entire Hidalgo County Health and Human Services team for their leadership and commitment to the wellness of this community. I'd also like to take the opportunity to thank all of you for coming together to make this event and care station possible. I want to take a moment to recognize the generous sponsors, United Healthcare and Molina, who have partnered with us every step of the way. OnMed's mission is to improve the quality of life and sense of well-being in communities across America by increasing access to healthcare anywhere. Simply put, we believe that everyone should have convenient access to everyday healthcare in every community and every corner across the United States. To make this a reality, we got innovative. We developed the OnMed Care Station. Think of it as a clinic in a box that delivers the access to care we all expect. We couldn't be more excited for McAllen and the community of Hidalgo County to benefit from this incredible innovation that is now officially open to the public. We also know that when great people come together, great achievements are possible. Innovation is really a team sport, and it takes a vision and a structure of great people to take a step like this. We're grateful to the commitment that Hidalgo County, UHC, and Molina have shown to this project. Thank you all so much, and I'm honored to introduce to you Kelsey Ledger, who is the Chief Operations Officer of Molina Healthcare, Texas. Come on in.
Done.
Hi, good morning, everyone. As Mindy said, my name is Kelsey Ledger, and I am here on behalf of Molina Healthcare of Texas. I'm honored to join you all today at the Hidalgo County Health Department and to bring affordable or free, actually no-cost healthcare to the citizens of Hidalgo County. This is even more special to me because I'm originally from McAllen, so this is my hometown. I am a proud Mackay Bulldog, which I recognize is dangerous in Mustang country to admit, but I'm just so excited to be able to be back in my community where I grew up to give to the residents of Hidalgo County. On behalf of Molina, I want to thank OnMed and United Healthcare for partnering with us. This is something at Molina that we call Together for Texas. We know that we can't impact the lives of our members in our community if we don't work together. And so that is what makes initiatives like these that improve the health and well-being of the citizens of this county. At Molina, we proudly serve about 65,000 Medicaid, and CHIP members in the Hidalgo service area. So we know firsthand the challenges and barriers that those members face, whether it's transportation or finding time or even just knowing where to go. So we are excited to break down those barriers and bring access to preventative care right here in their community in a trusted place where they already come. But also the most important part is that it sends a message that everybody deserves access to care, and we are committed to making that a reality. I want to also extend my gratitude to the leaders who joined us here today. Your commitment to the health and well-being of the citizens of Hidalgo is what makes things like this possible. So we just appreciate you all. And to the Hidalgo County Health Department for opening their doors and creating space to house this large care station. We are just so grateful. And finally, to the families and individuals that will receive care in this care station, your time matters, your health matters, and we are glad to stand beside you as you find access to meaningful health care. With that, I'd like to turn it over to Patricia Longoria from United.
Good morning. As was stated, I'm Patricia Longoria. I am grateful and proud to represent United Healthcare. And I think it was previously stated, the hotter that is, the shorter the message. I think it has all been stated, and what I want to really underscore is how proud we are to be collaborating and partnering to the leadership of Hidalgo County. Thank you so much for allowing this to move through and to show how much we can support. To Melina and OnMed, who has been such a fantastic partner in this journey. One of the things that I want to really underscore is the innovative care delivery experience that will help ensure members of this community have access to high quality care in a timely manner and in a manner that is conducive for them when they need it, how they need it, where they need it. By addressing gaps in care, we can proactively work to improve healthcare access and outcomes. What we find so many times across the state, and especially here, is the gap in access. This allows that gap to be bridged, and we thank you so much for the collaboration that we get through that.